Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to measure the body composition on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So let's do it. So to do that, just swipe to the right and here we have body composition. Now just press measure and you need to select your gender. I will select male. Set height. I will set 184. Okay, and press done. And now you need to set your weight. Mine is 84. And now just press done. And now let's read. Keep in mind that body composition monitoring is for fitness and wellness only, not for diagnosis or treatment of any medical condition. Do not measure if you have an implanted pacemaker or other implanted medical devices. Okay, how to measure? Move your watch higher on your wrist. I think that this is okay. Now place middle and the ring fingers on the keys. So you need to place these two fingers on the keys. Let's go forward. Touch your watch only. Do not let your hands touch. Okay. And raise your arms away from your body. Okay. And start measuring body composition. Just press OK and now place these two fingers on the keys and now it's measuring. I just touch my hand with my fingers and now I need to do it again. Now it's measuring. And now it's over and let's see. Okay, this is the weight, this is the skeletal muscle. Okay. This is the fat mass. This is the body fat. I'm on green. This is the BMI. I don't know for sure what is this. This is the body water. And this is the BMR. So I don't know for sure what these measurements are. But I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.